Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to make a news website on Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So making a new website on Wix here is pretty easy. As long as you input the correct details and the right selections here when you're creating a website, it's going to be a lot easier than you think. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click or go to wix.com, just basically access your account. So obviously my account here has a lot of things going on. So I have a bunch of websites here, but since we want to create a new one, let's go and click on create new site at the top right. Now, by the way, I would suggest you to try using the Wix editor here instead. So if you want to have advanced advanced tools here, especially if you created a Wix Studio account, you can use a studio template here. But if you're just someone new to the platform itself, I would recommend you to use the Wix editor itself. So let's go and choose Wix editor. And again, whatever you input at the very first sections when you're creating a website actually determine what your website's going to be. So in this case, going to choose setup without chat here, but you could use the AI if you want. But in here, this is where the most important part is going to be. Now, since we want to create a news website, let's go and just type in news. There are going to be a few options, so you could basically choose here. So you have news magazine, news producer, news blog, newspaper illustration. So go ahead and choose which is the most appropriate for you. So in this case, go ahead and do that. So like you could choose journal here, or just choose news magazine. Let's go and choose this one, and let's go and click on continue. Now it's going to start preparing our dashboard here, and basically install a few things first. So it's going to automatically set things up for us. So first we have our website name. So maybe I want to say this is going to be the website name here for me, and let's go ahead and click on continue. Next is going to basically ask your goals here. So if you want to basically build a community here, go ahead and basically add this one, like share knowledge. Go ahead and do that, and also display creative work. So you can click on continue. Now, also you need to add a few apps here that actually basically cater to your needs. So like for example, if you have like certain events that you want to promote here, you can go add events or the events app here. You have the blog option here. You have portfolio, pricing plans, and a lot more. So as an example, maybe I want to add like blogging here, so I can basically write posts for this one since we are in use a website itself. So in this case, you could go ahead and add whatever you want. So if you have like an Instagram account, you could go and choose Instagram feed as well. Online programs, groups if you want. But for now, we are good with blog here. Let's go and click on continue. Now it's going to say you're all set. Let's go and click on continue to dashboard. Now the most important section here when you're starting up is I would recommend you to first follow the setup process here. So you have the option to connect your domain, even design your website, get found on Google, setting up your this case SEO, and also discover Wix Enterprise, so which in this case it's just an upgrade plan for Wix. But in this case, how do you start designing your website? How do you start managing your content here? So in this case, let's go ahead and go to the top right here. We have the design site. Now you can see, or you can access the design site section or button here, either in the setup or home section. So in this case, you go to home here, same thing. Design site is going to be at the top right. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you have two options. So you have the option to generate designs with AI, or even choose your customize your own template, or choose from the number of templates that we could use. So first, let's go ahead and just click on pick a template here, since we want to make this a lot simpler for us. And we could go ahead and just choose whatever that is available right now. Now you can even search like specific templates in here, but since we've chosen a news website, news type of website here, it should actually give you some options that you could basically choose from. So in this case, let's go ahead and just add just in case it doesn't show you the most relevant templates for you, you can just type in news and just press enter. It's going to give you the most relevant templates for you. So as an example, maybe I want to use a very specific one here. So maybe I want to use this one as an example. So news blog. So let's go and choose this one. You could go either view it, or you could just directly go ahead and click on edit. Now let's go and click on edit here. Now, in here, obviously, there are going to be a lot of other tools that you could basically access here on your website editor, but I'm just going to go through the basic ones here. So, at the left side here, there are going to be a number of tools. So, we have our ad elements, ad section, our pages, site design, apps, my business, and media, and CMS. So basically, ad section is going to be like different sections. So let's go and close a bunch of things first here. So obviously, sections are going to be things that you could basically access here separately. So we have our first section here. This is the first section. Let's go ahead and double click on this one so we can view our full website. So in this case, you go ahead and click on this first section. This is our first section, second section, and our third section. So if you want to rapidly add sections into your website, you go ahead and click on add section here and choose from the number of templates that you could choose from. So if you want to add like a welcome page, a team, sorry, not a page, a section, a team section, or services section, subscribe section, you can go ahead and add those. Now, if you just want to add like images or buttons here, you could go to add elements instead. You can add like text, add galleries, boxes, strips, buttons, images, and a lot more. You can even like link your socials if you want to in the section here. Now, if you want to edit your or visit other pages here, you could go and click on the pages button here. Now, you could basically edit your site menu here, or go to blog pages. So if you want to edit your blog pages, like if you want to add like your posts, all your articles here, even view your light boxes, like side menus is going to be the menus that you usually see here. So you have our urban, climate change, so you can rename them if you want. Go and click on this one. You can go and click on settings and just change the title for it. Again, obviously there are going to be a lot of things that you access here. So if you just want to start managing your pages, this is where you'll be getting them. You want to edit the general design of your website, you could go to site themes. If you want to add like apps, you could go to WIX App Market, or manage your existing apps here. You have the My Business section. And if you want to add or manage your media, like videos and photos you already have on your website, this is where you get them. We also have the CMS section if you want to add your CMS. Now, going back to your dashboard here, let's go and go back. Let's go to dashboard here. Just give you an idea. So if you want to start adding or customizing your blog, you go to the left side here, go to blog, and go to post. You can just start writing your post here. So go ahead and click on create new post, add your content, whatever you want. You can add your title, what you want to say. You can even like add images here. So as you can see, this is like the basic format here. You can even add code snippets if you need it. You can add like or like links. You can even like add indents if you want to, add codes to make it more in this case tailored to you. But yeah, so you go ahead and click on add here, add images like GIFs, upload files if you need to, if that's relevant to your post. But yeah, so those are the things you need to do here to create your news website. It's very typical on how you set up your Wix website. So as long as you know what to input on your Wix website when you're creating it, you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to your lineup. Thank you for watching.